Welcome back to AutoBuzz TV, your one-stop destination for everything on wheels. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the coolest auto innovations. Today, we're diving into something truly unique and adventurous, the 2025 Circle Adventure Compact Camper Trike. It's not just a trike, it's a tiny home on three wheels, blending mobility with minimalist living like never before. This futuristic-looking camper trike is designed for solo adventurers and digital nomads who want to travel light but live fully. Built by Circle Adventure, a brand known for pushing the boundaries of compact travel, this camper is redefining what it means to live on the road. Let's start with the design. The 2025 model features a sleek aerodynamic body with a reinforced composite shell, making it lightweight yet incredibly durable. It's just under 8 feet long and 4 feet wide, compact enough to fit into tight spaces, yet spacious enough to be livable. Its three-wheel design gives it excellent stability, and the front-wheel drive electric motor makes it smooth to handle even on winding backroads. Now, don't let the size fool you. The interior is brilliantly engineered to make every inch count. Inside, you'll find a convertible sleeping area, a compact kitchen with a portable induction cooktop, a mini fridge, and even a fold-out table for eating or working. There's clever storage tucked into every corner, making it perfect for extended getaways or even full-time living. One of the biggest highlights is its off-grid capability. It comes equipped with roof-mounted solar panels and a lithium battery system, allowing you to power your appliances and lights without ever needing a hookup. Plus, the ventilation and insulation system keeps it comfortable in both hot and cold climates. The camper also includes a built-in water storage tank with a filtration unit, so you can refill from natural sources and stay out in nature longer. It's the ultimate setup for eco-conscious travelers who want to leave a smaller footprint. Circle Adventure has also focused heavily on safety and convenience. It includes LED lighting, backup cameras, USB charging ports, GPS navigation, and even a smartphone app to monitor energy levels and internal temperature. Everything is designed to make life on the road not just possible, but truly enjoyable. Whether you're heading into the mountains, parking by a beach, or just escaping the daily grind, the 2025 Compact Camper Trike is all about freedom, flexibility, and fun. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself hitting the open road with just 3 wheels and a dream? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this review on AutoBuzz TV. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travel junkies, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in the auto world. Until next time, keep cruising, stay curious, and always enjoy the ride.